Good day, everybody. I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Today's video, I'm heading out with a buddy I have not seen and camped with in a long time. That's Steve. Last camping trip we were at was at Waiparous, and today's camping trip we are at Waiparous again, but this time we are camping along the transalta on the ridge, and this is a very popular spot. Which means if you come out here on a Friday night closer to 5 o'clock, odds are you're not going to get a camping spot. This guy was going pretty slow, and his load looked a little bit sketchy with all those bins. This road is rough. I just envisioned all those totes flying off and me running them down. So traveling the transalta, this is technically a trail, but I call it a gravel road. However, at the bottom here, in the wintertime, ice dam builds up, and it can get pretty nasty, and this hill going up can get extremely slick as well. But once you're on top of the transalta, when it starts snowing and blowing, that road can blow in, and you can have a lot of fun winching yourself through. It's a beautiful fall day. Now it's time to find Steve. Luckily, I had cell phone coverage, and Steve sent me his location, so finding him was pretty easy. Just a quick pull out on the ridge, right close to the road. Nothing spectacular as in being hidden out in the bush, but this view, as you're gonna see, is gonna be epic. Alright, just inside my Russian hot tent, the 2-up mini. Got my cot in there. I was actually gonna set up and use the stove, but I guess tonight's supposed to be like 14 degrees tonight. Beautiful fall colors. Not too windy right now, so I can do some filming without having the voiceover. But yeah, getting set up. Steve's out there. He's got his diesel out. Gonna grab something to eat quick. A long time ago, I tried the fish cock, but now I'm gonna try some ham cock. That's how it looks. It's got a piece of like rye bread on top and then ham underneath. It's actually really good. Really filling too. Oh yeah. So now we're just gonna cut some pencil trees down for a fire. I tried to sharpen my chain. I don't know if it's gonna be very sharp or not. We're gonna find out. Jesus. Like, look at this. Someone drove out in public land to dispose of their sod and then burn and then leave glass in there. Savage. After gathering up some wood, I felt it was time. The wind had calmed down to get some drone footage. And I really enjoy trying to get some drone footage and put it in the video. I don't know if it's just me, but I find watching drone video very relaxing. It kind of gives the viewer an idea of just the landscape where we're at. Because you can see right now, you got the beautiful fall colors. In a couple of weeks, all those leaves will be gone. Everything will be brown. And it won't be pretty anymore. You just have to wait for the winter to set in. And then be time for winter camping. But just where we are, I don't know what you guys think. It's hard to tell in the video, but if you were in the spot where we were. It is an absolutely breathtaking view of the valley and everything in the area. Please enjoy the drone video. I got some wood, some smoke going because there's wasps. I think I changed the chain out in that. I can hear the EcoFlow Delta. Fans are running. Solar panel up top brought her out at 69% power. 78, bringing in almost 100 or 80 watts. 4 hours of charge. I won't have any issues with battery power, but I think it's beer time. Got the small tent out today for my adventures. Use it when I'm solo, and then when MJ's out, I'll bring the bigger one. Still using the Dometic because it's really efficient. Yeah, nice cold Caribou Blonde. I see the Rangers just drove on by. We're not doing nothing illegal, so don't have to worry. Anyways, it's motherfucking beer time. It's almost October at the time of filming, and it's like summertime. Oh, that tastes good. Like, look at this view. We're not secluded by any means, because the road is just like 100 meters that way. Not a big deal, but I just want to camp here for this view. This is totally epic. Oh, no, this is not emergency services, but the helicopter in the sky may be stars, because a little while ago, the game warden came down, lights on flashing, then emergency vehicle came on flashing, and then ambulance. But I think that Star's helicopter that might be in the sky right now, because they all went that way.
Yeah, they went over that way, so it's probably where they went.
It's our excitement, but it's nice that the sun is kind of clouded out right now. Got a little fire going, kicking back. A few beers, relaxing. Beautiful day. God, that view is awesome. This is one of Steve's lanterns. I think he said, was it 1974?
77.
77. This thing is mint. Coleman. And the bear burrito makes an appearance. This thing's pretty awesome, actually. Nice and small. Not much to set it up. There's people over there camping. The ridge looking down the valley. Any available spot is getting filled up. The old Russian hot tent right here. So I'm going to show you guys what's absolutely friggin' disgusting. Is that there's a trail coming down here. All right, you're starting to see evidence right there. Hey, look at that. Evidence right there. You know, somebody dug a hole, didn't bury it back in. Coming down. Shit wipe here. The trees. All down there. Look at that. Okay? Sounds like a big shit. Absolutely disgusting. All up over there. This is like the cesspool at our campsite. If you're gonna take a dump in the woods, you know, if you're gonna go as far as dig a hole, bury it. This is disgusting. Nobody wants to come out camping to see your shit paper all over the place, because it's friggin' gross. Still debating about the stove. I don't think I'm gonna put the stove in. Then I think I'm going to. But then I think I'm not. Yeah, there goes the ambulance. I think they flew everybody out by helicopter though. Yes, you can hear the helicopter, can't see it.
It's been probably what, four times it's come in and taken.
Yeah, four times or so come in. Somebody definitely got hurt today. The other emergency vehicles will probably be coming up here shortly. All right, just been kind of a lazy day, kicking back, but not much sun. Still got the panels, but even though it's still bringing in 25 watts of power with 77%, using 6 watts of power. Charge this thing, hey? 6 watts of power to charge the GoPro. Steve's doing the old cooking on the coals. Gonna be tasting wood.
Best way to cook it.
Well, I guess it's about that time. Clouds are still in the sky, looking a little dramatic. Sun's gonna start setting pretty soon. Cook something to eat. Gonna have some Stag Silverado chili. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I used to laugh at these. I used to think burning this fuel was old school and not really worth it. But I'm gonna tell you right now, since I converted, best thing since sliced bread. Same with the white gas lantern, best thing ever. I've had this and the lantern over a year, and I've used it quite a bit. And I finally used up a gallon of fuel. So right now I just want to pump this up so it starts getting nice and tight, right? I want to adjust this. There we go. We're lit. You want to kind of get it so you get the blue flame. Yeah, you want that blue flame like right there. It's just pulsating right now, but I probably could just put the can on there and cook it. Eat it out of the can. But I'm just gonna put it in the pot here. This will take like minutes to cook. See that nice blue flame? That's what you want. That's what you want. She's already starting to boil. Oh yeah, I think she's cooked. Turn off the heat. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Homemade chili in the can. Quick and dirty. Campfire food. Maybe next time, be a can of Spam. Just using the same pot to heat some water up, and these collapsible bowls are the best thing since sliced bread for doing dishes when you're out camping, by far. Definitely feels nice to get out for one night of camping. Epic views. I'm gonna settle down, smoke a cigar pretty soon. Just got enough wood on to keep the fire going. Another Caribou beer. Crack open. Look at that beautiful sunset. Got a cigar, some snacks, a beer. Getting the fire going. Couple of campers down there. So many people coming late to the party. See them hauling trailers up, but the big hills down there, and see them turn around and come back. If you're coming out this late, you're not finding anything. But it's been about 4 or 5 years since I camped on the ridge here. I just love the view. Just love it. Can never get tired of this. Beautiful Alberta.
Here we are, another night.
Finally, time to settle down for the night. The Russian hot tent with thought a stove was actually pretty roomy inside. One person, lots of room. Steve had to work at noon today, so he's pulling an Aubrey and leaving about 7 o'clock in the morning. There's Steve. He's got to work early today, but you can see the sun is starting to come up with the redness. Just all packed up and ready to leave. Only thing being left behind is some firewood for the next people. Alright, packed up, heading out. People all over. I should have actually caught it on video, but leaving, there was people on people wherever there was a place to camp, even along the side of the road. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.